To another video of Terrarium, and this right now the video of what I just getting started is right now uploading, so make sure you do like. There's no point of me making new videos, so this is what I done last time. Okay, so hopefully okay, now he can come in. So this is our house so far. We need to take everything we need. So let's do mining. Okay. This is why wooden platforms are really helpful. Okay. I seem to like. Oh no. Oh, that's so lucky. I don't have a place on the background. Okay, can you tell me why you can't actually like put torches on the background when you're mining? It's weird, look. Oh yeah, no, can you? No, you can't. Okay, so let's get back into it. Please say that's iron. Oh no, it's not iron. I love it when I find iron. Okay, sorry about if you can't see. Hopefully you can see right now. Or I'll have to end the video and get my lighting better. Okay, I'll just have to get my lighting a bit better by opening the curtains. I'm gonna die. No. Good. Okay, what's he sent me now? If you do play Roblox, make sure you get me as a friend. I'll do some more Roblox videos after this video, so okay, so right now, okay, today I will be showing you my first ever fan, or my first ever fan will be playing with me. Okay, remember what I told you about the ropes? If you get stuck, I have made loads of other YouTube channels, but you don't want to check them out. Those are rubbish. This is the first of the YouTube channel what I've ever got to get loads of more subscribers. So basically, this is my best one. Okay, I'll have to mine my way up here. Sorry if you can't see that well. Okay. I do get angry really easy at these games. Hey, finally. Okay, now I just have to get home safely. Oh no. Oh. That's a dumb zombie. Hi Jacob. You should stay indoors. No, it's very dangerous to be wandering around in the dark. Okay, I need help crafting. What should I craft out of this? Flamethrower. Oh, I want to build one of these. Soul of Fright. Okay, so that must have been the worst of my ever life of doing that. I haven't had a worse mining session than that. But now we will be going to explore. Well, I wish I could tell which time it is. Okay, so I've got some lead ore and some silver ore. And I got 80 copper and 31 silver. Is he actually going to join? I like the game. This person's a lot better than me, so thank you. Okay, so I found out now there is a place down there, and that is a zombie. So basically we need to go down, basically mine under my house. Let's do some mining under my house, just like a weirdo would do. I'm a weirdo. Oh yeah, why don't I do it? Okay. Okay, so this is probably a good place to mine. The reason why I took torches out of my house is because I couldn't be bothered to go out. I just wanted to go mining. I know what I'm drowning, but it's alright because I will survive. I will survive. Okay, so let's do this bit. Yay, rope. Please see this rope, guys. Whee! Okay. I like making sound effects. It's like my favourite thing ever. Okay. So let's mine over here. I don't care if I die because I've already got loads of money. No, I mean I do care. Okay. Oh, there's a mouse. I stepped on it. I'm so mean. Oh yes, this is what I need. Okay, that's better. Nice wood. Everyone meet wood. Wood isn't your best friend sometimes. Okay, some more lead. Just what I wanted. I need more lead. So what we're going to try and do is make lead armor. Or firstly we need to try and make a lead pickaxe. And then we'll make copper armor. That's definitely. Okay. What's in there? Okay, more money. Everyone likes money. there's a healing potion. It's right over there. Yeah, yes. Oh my god, this sword is so good. I love this sword. Okay, now let's go. Let's go. Okay. Yay. Sorry, Jacob. I trapped you. Oh no, that was a bad mistake. Luckily, I'm amazing at this game. Not. That would have been like part too hardcore. Okay, so hi Jacob. Okay. So Jacob feels like he's still a fool. So we need to save him. Okay. There's a house over there, and I need to get to it. Oh. Smart. Why am I taking it down with a pickaxe? No, pickaxe, yeah. I'm so done. So. Okay, so. I've got night vision still. That's weird. Okay, so my person is getting a bit better, even though we're in the first video. Okay, so we need to get 100 bits of wood. Okay, let's sit down on my chair for once. Okay, so I've still got my potion. What's over here then? Slime, that's what I needed. Sunshine. Bring it. Slimes can't take me on. I am too strong. No, I'm not. I'm not strong. Compared me to, like, the friend who never comes on, who I invited. Hey, so. Let's go get some more copper. So basically you've got loads and loads of lead. So basically, I like some basically. So we need to get a bit of silver. No, there it is. Copper. I like copper. Nobody really likes copper. I'm not going in that cave. It is one thing. It's rubbish. And the good thing is I haven't died yet. Oh, the slime. It's gonna die. No. Come back. Come on, bring it. No, why jump over there if you can come to me? He's probably scared of me. What's up here? Oh, it's weird how I have to jump. Oh look, the tree's bigger than me. For once. Hopefully I get loads of money from this. No, wood from it. This one's bigger than it. I wish you could climb trees. And then if you're about to get eaten by zombies, just climb up it.